citizens of Tartarus have begun a mass exodus of the planet. Such an action can lead to disaster in the best of situations. But the reports reaching my ears are ones of planet-wide hysteria as the population makes its pilgrimage to the two main spaceports. Convoys of transports and civilians on foot are being plagued by attacks from Orc forces. Stretched thin, the Imperial Guard is barely keeping order in the major population centers, sacrificing their lives long enough to hold back the green tide of the Orcs. They are truly warriors of the Emperor. I wish for nothing more than to be able to join them in this noble cause. But I cannot deny my duty any more than they can deny theirs. We have found proof that the forces of chaos are operating on the planet of Tartarus. Isidore has found evidence on the blasphemous altar that indicates they may be headed towards Mount Korath, an old mountain located dangerously close to an area of heavy Orc activity. I have requested a regiment of Imperial Guard from Colonel Brom to help cover our approach. I regret asking when the Colonel's forces are already stretched to the breaking point, but there are greater things at stake now.
Exalted Farseer, the humans are moving, traversing the slope as you predicted. They are walking into our trap.
Yes, but you can never ambush a space marine. Remember that. They expect treachery at every turn. You can only validate their suspicions.
Your orders?
We have locked the humans into this path as they have locked us into ours. They know they enter a gauntlet, and they will likely drag us into it as well. Now we play our parts, and pray that we are the better actors.
Are you certain?
Yes, the path to Mount Korath. This is where the altar said we must go. Why? Do you question my findings?
I do not question your abilities, brother librarian, but I do question their tactical sense. That mountain pass is the perfect location for an ambush.
Listen to the distrust in his voice. He probably calls you mutant behind your back, but he fears your divinity, your power. You must put the child at ease.
I do not deny that this is likely a trap, which is all the more proof that our enemy lies in this direction.
Very true, old friend. Stay alert and follow my lead. I want no mistakes.
Agreed.
Scouts, are you in position?
Yes, my lord. We have discovered the location of the first Eldar forces.
We must find a way to overcome this Eldar strike force before we can scout out a good location to stage our field operations.
On patrol. Yes, my lord.
Under fire!
I sense danger. We will root it out. Commencing infiltration. Search commencing.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Yes, my lord.
What is your order?
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Scouts ready. Getting into position.
Fear denies faith. Activating jump pack. Fear denies faith. Stay vigilant, brothers. Ever Ever vigilant.
I
Squad
am the
broken!
instrument of his will.
Scouts here. Scouts charge. Scouts charge.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
What would you have me do?
Squad
My
morale
aim shall
restored.
not falter. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
This
For terror.
structure is a webway portal. The
My
Eldar
aim
use
shall
them to
not
quickly
falter.
travel from one location to another. We
Scouts
must
here.
destroy any webway portals we find to limit
Getting
the
into
Eldar's
position.
mobility.
Infiltrating enemy
What
territory.
would you have me do?
Even in death, I still serve.
Under fire. Awaiting orders.
This is a good location to establish a field base. Gabriel to the Litany of Fury. Lock on my location and prepare to drop HQ. Now.
At your command. Maintain attack formation.
Even in death, I still serve.
Yes, my lord. Understood.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there
Yes,
can
my
be
lord.
no peace.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
Defending objective.
Command me. Take me into battle.
My faith is my shield.
Awaiting orders.
Take the battle.
Activating jump pack. Faith is our shield.
Scouts ready. Scouts ready.
Take the battle.
The Emperor protects.
Under fire.
My aim shall not falter.
Squad broken. We are the Emperor's chosen.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. Today the enemy shall know fear. My aim shall not
Fear
falter.
denies faith. Activating jump pack.
Scouts in position. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
Under fire. Squad broken.
Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose? At once.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Squad broken.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
We stand ready. Squad morale restored. For the Emperor! Squad Fear morale restored. Faith. Take and hold.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
I am the instrument of
Now
his
that we
will.
have established our field base, we must continue through the mountain
your
pass on
command.
foot. Expect heavy resistance.
We will
Make
move
sure
ahead
you move
and mark
cautiously
any enemy
and keep the
positions.
field base protected at all times.
Commencing infiltration. Search commencing. Getting into position.
For the Emperor!
On patrol. We will move ahead.
My lord, I
and
have
mark
arrived
any
at your
enemy
request.
Positions.
We need you to cover the eastern pass. The combat that is occurring here will likely attract the Orc forces nearby. We cannot afford their interference.
I understand.
Here to
You
serve.
can count on the Imperial Guard to hold this pass. No orcs will get by us.
Keep me appraised of the situation.
Build
If
routine
possible, I will
721
provide you
await
assistance
your
if the Orcs
instructions.
attack.
Yes,
Under
my lord.
fire.
Build routine 721
Yes, my lord.
initiated.
Yes. On my way.
Lehman Russ here. Lehman Russ here. Lehman Russ here.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated. Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
Reporting, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
The Emperor protects.
Marine squad deployed.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
Lehman Russ here.
Under fire. Marine squad deployed.
You've got it. Lehman Russ here. On our way.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
Heresy grows from idleness.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
Charge!
Fear not the Psyker.
We stand ready. Orders received.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated. Build routine 721 initiated.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. We are united in
How can I
his
serve?
service.
Awaiting orders. Activating jump pack. Under fire.
I stand ready.
Squad broken.
Through discipline, we prevail.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Yes, my lord. Scouts advance.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Lehman Russ here.
Under fire. Fear denies faith. Orders received.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated. Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Ever vigilant.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Armor reporting. Moving out. On our way. You've got it. On our way.
I await
Squad
your
morale
instructions. Build routine 721
Fear denies
initiated.
faith. Fear our wrath. For the Emperor
We're here.
sighted.
Following
Under
orders.
fire. Under fire.
The Emperor protects.
Under fire. Fear denies faith.
Scouts here. Gathering intelligence.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Squad broken.
At your command.
Squad morale restored.
Squad broken!
Yes.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Scouts here. On patrol. Commencing infiltration. Yes, my lord. Squad morale restored!
I await your instructions. As you wish.
Under fire! Marine squad deployed. Heresy grows from idleness.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Under fire!
Armor reporting. On our way.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. Charge!
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
Squad morale restored.
What is it you desire?
Praise the Emperor. Faith and duty.
Thank the Emperor you're here. I think Command forgot about us.
How long have you been here?
About a week.
You held this position for a week? By yourselves?
Yes, my lord. We've seen some pretty freaky stuff, too. Come on. We'll show you.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. Agreed.
Under fire!
Armor reporting.
Cleanse, purge, kill!
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. Agreed.
Yes, Lord.
Under fire!
Build routine 721 initiated.
Scouts here. Yes, my lord. Scouts charge.
Armor reporting.
Moving out.
The Emperor protects.
Lehman Russ here. Fire!
Under fire! Direct us to the enemy. Under fire!
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
Reporting, sir. Following orders.
At your command. Yes, my lord.
Here to serve.
Heresy grows from idleness.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
I stand ready.
Armor reporting.
Even in death, I still serve.
Armor reporting. You've
Under
got
fire.
it, Lehman Russ here.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Under fire!
Build routine 721 initiated.
Reporting, sir. We're here. We'll get through this, I know it.
Scouts ready. Scouts charge.
Awaiting orders. Maintain attack formation.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
I am ready to serve. Again.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
The Emperor protects.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Faith is our shield. Under fire!
Here to serve.
Scouts awaiting orders. I sense danger. We will root it out.
Emperor!
Yes, it will be done. I will see that it happens.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721
Death from
initiated.
above.
Yes,
Under fire!
I will see that it happens.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
At last, back to war.
Yes, my lord. Ever vigilant.
Yes, my lord. On patrol.
I await your instructions.
Yes, my lord. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Search commencing. Scouts advance.
Under fire!
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Lord. Build routine
Reporting,
721 initiated.
Scouts here. Gathering intelligence.
The Emperor protects. For the Emperor. For terror. For the Emperor.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
Ever vigilant. Onward to glory! Under fire!
Heavy support available. Fire! Moving out.
I await your instructions.
Under fire! We stand ready. Death from above.
Reporting, sir. Reporting, sir.
Under fire!
At your command.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Fear denies faith. Activating jump pack. For the Emperor! For the Emperor!
Reporting, sir.
We stand ready. Death from above. Direct us to the enemy. Activating jump pack. Under fire. Yes, my lord. Activating jump pack. At your command. Yes, my lord. Under fire.
We're here. The Emperor protects.
Faith is our shield. Weapons at ready. It is time. At your command. Weapons at ready. It is time. Activating jump pack.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Awaiting orders.
Scouts awaiting orders. Yes, my lord. Commencing infiltration.
I await your
Marine
instructions.
squad deployed.
Build routine 721 initiated.
Faith is eternal.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, Lord? Yes, Lord.
Under fire.
Scouts here.
Yes, my lord. Maintain attack formation.
Scouts ready.
I await your instructions. Build routine
Direct us,
721
Leader.
initiated.
While the enemies of the Emperor still
Awaiting
draw
orders.
breath, there can be no peace.
Faith is our shield. Ever vigilant. Faith is our shield. Under fire. We are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received, brother. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Yes, Lord?
Under fire.
Whirlwind artillery tank deployed. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
I await your instructions. Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721
Yes, most
initiated.
beneficent
one. As you wish. Yes, Lord. As you wish.
My faith is my shield. Follow my lead. Faith and duty.
Under fire! Under fire!
My aim shall not falter. We shall know no fear. My aim shall not
Under
falter.
fire! Heresy grows from idleness.
Whirlwind here. Whirlwind artillery tank deployed. Whirlwind here. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack. Whirlwind artillery tank here. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
The Emperor protects. For the honor of the chapter. My aim shall not falter.
Ever vigilant.
At your command. Yes, my lord.
I am the instrument of his will.
Lehman Russ here.
We stand ready.
Armor reporting.
Under fire!
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates. Moving out.
Yes, Lord. As you wish.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
The Emperor protects. At your command.
Fear denies faith.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Armor reporting. Moving out.
Beware the alien.
Under fire!
The heretic.
What is it you desire? My knowledge is at your disposal.
Armor reporting.
At your command. Yes, my lord.
Heavy support available.
Under fire!
Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates. As you command.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
We're here. Yes, sir.
Whirlwind here.
Take the battle to the enemy.
Triangulating attack coordinates.
Take the battle to the enemy.
Yes, Lord.
Under fire! Under fire! Direct us to the enemy.
There is no such thing as innocence.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
We're here. Yes, sir.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. His will be done. The machine spirit is prepared.
Take the battle.
Yes, most beneficent one. As you wish.
Under fire!
Here to serve.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Reporting, sir. At your command.
Heresy grows from idleness.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
Under
Whirlwind
fire!
artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
Squad broken!
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Armor reporting. Moving out.
Under fire!
Whirlwind here.
Squad morale restored.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Yes, sir. At your command.
Marine
At your
squad deployed. Awaiting orders. Onward to glory! Fear denies faith.
What would you have?
Under fire!
Praise the Emperor.
What is it you desire?
Whirlwind artillery tank here. As you command. Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Marine squad deployed. At your command. Fear our wrath.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
For the Emperor under fire!
Triangulating attack coordinates.
What is your order? We are the Emperor's chosen. Marine squad deployed.
Yes, my lord. We'll get through this, I
Squad
know it.
broken! We are the Emperor's chosen. Squad morale restored. For the Emperor!
The Emperor has abandoned us!
Under fire! We are the Emperor's chosen.
Whirlwind here. His will be done.
The Emperor protects.
Under fire, Emperor!
There's work to be done!
Under fire!
Armor reporting.
What is your order? Awaiting orders. Faith is our shield. Direct us to the enemy.
Here to serve.
Fear denies faith.
I await your instructions.
Under fire!
Here to serve.
Heresy grows from idleness. Awaiting orders.
Whirlwind here.
Under fire! Marine squad deployed. Stand ready. Orders received. Squad broken! We are the Emperor's chosen. Weapons at ready. It is time.
The Emperor protects.
Faith is our shield. Under fire!
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Heavy support available. Yes, sir.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
For the
Heavy support
Emperor!
available.
Under fire!
Lehman Russ here. Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
We stand ready. Moving out. Under fire!
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Lehman Russ here.
Squad broken!
He who stands with me shall be my brother. We are united
Marine
in
squad
his
deployed.
I am the instrument of his will.
Under fire! Faith is our shield. Heresy grows from idleness. Squad broken!
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Marine squad deployed. Direct us to the enemy. Fear denies faith. Awaiting orders. Heresy grows from idleness. Under fire!
Whirlwind here. Whirlwind here.
Marine squad deployed.
Triangulating attack coordinates. Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
We're here. Following orders.
Heresy grows from idleness. Marine squad deployed.
Whirlwind here.
For the Emperor!
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Under fire!
At your command.
Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates. Armor reporting.
We'll get through this, I know it.
What would you have me do?
Following orders.
I have awoken.
At your command.
Under fire!
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates. Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Under fire!
Triangulating attack coordinates.
Faith is eternal.
Fear our wrath. Yes, my lord. Onward to glory!
I have
Hope
awoken.
is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Faith is eternal.
Under fire! Squad broken!
At last, back to war.
Maintain attack formation.
I am the instrument of his will.
Squad morale restored.
Whirlwind artillery tank deployed.
I shall end you. I am ready to serve. Again. Command me.
Under fire.
Even in death, I still serve.
Whirlwind here. His will be done.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
We stand ready. Orders received. Fear our wrath. Understood. Marine squad deployed. Stay
Whirlwind artillery
vigilant,
tank
brothers.
deployed. Whirlwind artillery tank here. His will be done. Whirlwind artillery tank here. His will be done.
Fear denies faith.
What would you have me do?
I am the instrument of his will.
I await your instructions. Yes, most beneficent one? As you wish.
Command me.
Take and hold.
Whirlwind here. The machine spirit
Under
is
fire.
prepared. Triangulating attack coordinates.
Fear denies faith. Orders received. Under fire.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Weapons at ready. It is time. What is your order? Take and hold. At your command, direct us to the enemy. Faith is our shield. We are the Emperor's chosen.
I await your instructions.
Under fire! Awaiting orders. Moving out.
I am the instrument of his will. I will crush those who stand before me.
For the Emperor!
I will be there soon.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Whirlwind artillery tank here. Armor reporting.
Orders received.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
What is it you desire?
Heavy support available.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Under fire!
Triangulating attack
It is
coordinates.
better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
What is your order? Fear our wrath. Under fire! Weapons at ready. It is time. Squad broken! Under fire! Under fire! Fear denies faith. Onward to glory!
I am ready to serve. Again. Command me.
Lehman Russ here.
At your command.
Direct us to the enemy. Orders received, brother.
What is your will? I await your instructions. As you wish.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Command me. To me, my brothers.
our shield. Activating jump pad. Under fire.
Whirlwind here. Triangulating attack coordinates.
Under fire. One broken.
Walk softly.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Squad morale restored.
Lehman Russ here. Whirlwind artillery tank here. Triangulating attack coordinates. Triangulating attack coordinates.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. My aim shall not falter.
Heresy grows from idleness.
I am the instrument of his will. Faith is eternal. At last, back to war.
What is it you desire?
Even in death, I still serve.
Yes, my lord. Following orders. We'll show these filthy aliens what Imperial Guard are made of.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Whirlwind here.
What is your will?
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw
stand
breath,
ready.
there can be no peace.
Orders received, brother.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Yes, my lord. Maintain attack formation. Charge!
Here to serve.
We are still unearthing more Eldar explosives and demolition charges, but we dare not move them. We replace their triggering mechanisms, however. That is all I care to do with such xenotech.
Was this a trap?
No. By the placement of the charges, it is likely they plan to collapse this area, burying the marker and anyone near it.
They failed. Isidore, study the marker and see where it leads us next.
Captain, Inquisitor Toth has arrived.
Of course he has.
Yes, Captain, it is an impressive sight. But I never claimed Chaos had never set foot on this planet before. I said that if something were here, the impending warp storm would eliminate that threat. Best we not remain to share its fate.
And as I explained, Inquisitor, the Blood Ravens will remain until the last possible moment. Until that happens, in 2 or 3 days hence, I plan on pursuing this riddle.
Captain, I do not presume to question your decisions concerning the Blood Ravens. But when it comes to employing the Colonel's Imperial Guard in your quest...
My quest? Yet again you accuse me of pursuing my personal interests. It is my duty, and yours, to expunge any scent of heresy or chaos.
You overstep yourself.
As do you, Inquisitor. It is not the Colonel's Imperial Guard. Their lives belong to the Emperor. It is by his mandate and will that I use the Imperial Guard against the forces of disorder and elevate them in the glory of holy battle.
I see now that coming here was a mistake. If you are set on a path that will lead you to destruction, I can do nothing to stop you. But I won't allow you to drag us down with you. By inquisitorial edict, I am taking control of the planet Tartarus. All requests for planetary resources, including its military, will go through me. Captain, from this point on, you and your men are on your own.